Yeah.
We're live. Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. We are 2-3 minutes late, but we had a bit of an issue. Me and Seher. हम बाहर वर्कआउट कर रहे थे, बट पता चला कि फोन की बैटरी बिल्कुल खत्म हो चुकी है, and our battery packs weren't charged. So we are indoors with you. It's Monday, and we're back with a bang. Monday motivation full zor pe.
But I haven't been able to
What?
turn off the comments.
I'll do it. I'm gonna turn off the comments, and I'm gonna teach you how to do it
Yeah.
later. Turn off commenting. Amazing. All right. So, what are we doing today?
Okay, so today, Aisha, we're doing total body strength. So we've been doing a lot of like total body cardio, सब कुछ mix किया, compound, strength, everything together. लेकिन आज we're gonna only focus on building muscle in different areas. So lower body में भी, upper body में भी. Usually हम क्या करते थे जब हम strength करते थे तो हम different muscle groups को separate कर लेते थे.
Right,
So
right.
upper body one day, you know, lower body. But I feel that we should do something different. So that's why, you know, a different workout.
Bilkul. And for those of you who have just tuned in for the first time, me and Seher have been working out for quite a while.
Yeah.
और हम Friday को नहीं आए थे because I think, I don't know, there was some stuff that was up.
Yeah, I think work.
There was some
yeah.
work stuff happening, and we try and do really easy home-based exercises जो अपने घर पे कर सकते हैं.
Yeah.
Weights की भी नहीं ज़रूरत. We can use water bottles.
Exactly.
You know, and
We've been in fact doing that for the last 2 times.
Yeah.
लेकिन आज थोड़ा different होगा. Like with weights, so movements are complicated only.
Ooh.
So yeah, don't freak
Why
out.
are you doing this to me?
Because I'm seeing after a while.
है ना, तो Seher ने कहा आज
Weekend.
तो पूरी कसर निकालते हैं नाम
Yeah.
लेने की. So we also only work out for 25 minutes. और इसके साथ अगर आप लोग कोई डेली अपनी वॉक करते हैं या कोई रनिंग पे जाते हैं, साइकिलिंग करते हैं, that's great. हम जाएंगे साइकिलिंग आज. Later. So you know, a bit of cardio, and this 20-minute workout is like 25-minute workout is like
Yeah.
amazing.
Amazing.
So
yeah.
let's begin.
Okay, so let's start explaining.
Yeah.
ठीक है. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, because we're doing total body strength, which means we're gonna engage आप सारे अपने जो muscle groups हैं वो engage करोगे. So उसमें आपने क्या, लेकिन intense movements नहीं होगी. Very controlled, in motion, you know, like मतलब crazy intense जो cardio movements होती है ना, jumping jacks, burpees वगैरह, वो आप कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे हैं.
ठीक है.
बीच में थोड़ा सा एक cardio kick होगा, just to give a kick to your heart rate. But mainly it's going to be strength based. Okay. Very quickly, so we have 2 combinations. Each combination has abs to start off with. So we're going to spend like 2 minutes on abs.
Okay.
And then that phase. Okay. And then 3 strength movements, compound, and then 1 cardio as a finisher for that combination. Then a break और फिर next combination. और repeat करेंगे 2 times. हर exercise के बीच में break है. You know that I'm going to explain साथ साथ. अच्छा, जो abs है और जो cardio movement है वो same है. We're not playing with abs and cardio. Combination 1 में भी same होगा, 2 में भी same होगा.
ठीक है.
अच्छा, so 2 ab movements हम लोग 35 seconds each करेंगे. Okay, so match is here, but anyways, मैं इधर ही practice कर लेती हूँ. अच्छा, so we did leg extensions the last time, Aisha.
Yes.
ठीक है, so we
really
had
tough ones.
Yeah. Now what we're going to do is we're going to get into side leg extension, side to side. We're going to get into one side, crunch, and then the other side. ठीक है? इसमें अच्छा ये होता है कि अगर आप अपना weight रख लो ना बीच में, इस तरह, तो आपको थोड़ा सा पता लग जाता है कि आपने side to side कितना जाना है. So you can go to one side, left, and then right, in, and then out. Yeah. So you're breathing.
Okay.
ठीक है, so that's side to side. 35 seconds. As soon as it rings, we're going to get into a side toe crunch. So we'll be on the mat. Mat वैसे कैसे रखा हुआ है? Wait. Let's put it here. So you're going to drop down, ठीक है? So basic chest lifted, but you're looking up onto the ceiling. अपनी neck को crunch नहीं करना. And then side to side. So you're touching your toes.
Okay.
Very good for your love handles. बहुत से लोग पूछते हैं ना. So nice and easy. Chest lifted, neck up. ठीक है? But neck not crunched.
Not
like
crunched.
Yeah. सीधा. So 25 seconds each, 2 times. विदाउट अ ब्रेक, ठीक है. अगर ब्रेक की जरूरत पड़ेगी तो हम डाल देंगे. ओके, देन द स्ट्रेंथ. अच्छा, स्ट्रेंथ के लिए फर्स्ट मूवमेंट है प्लैंक शिफ्ट टू स्क्वाट. सो व्हाट यू गोना डू इज यू गोना गेट इनटू अ प्लैंक, ठीक है, हैंड्स हियर. अच्छा, जिस तरह भी मूव करना है, यू वांट इट एक ये हाथ पांव साथ हिलाना है, अलग अलग हिलाना है, इट्स कंप्लीटली अप टू यू. बट आई वांट यू टू शिफ्ट साइड टू साइड, ठीक है. सो 3 टाइम्स आपने जैसे स्टार्ट किया, फॉर एग्जांपल राइट 1 2 स्क्वाट होल्ड 3 2 1 ड्रॉप, ठीक है. एंड देन द अदर साइड 1 एंड देन 2 and then squat.
Okay, so twice we move.
Yeah, so twice you move, you hold the squat for 3 seconds.
Try करूँ?
करो.
So I start with the squat also?
Yeah.
है
ना?
ना?
Plank से start कर लो.
अच्छा.
Plank से start कर लो. हाँ.
So
move.
1.
Yeah. 2.
अच्छा, यहाँ space नहीं है.
Space हाँ मैं कर लो.
Okay. So I'll do 1.
Yeah.
2.
And then squat hold करो. Bring the feet in. 3 2 नहीं squat hold.
Oh.
So you don't
Squat
3
hold.
2 1 फिर plank करो.
Okay.
Yeah, and then the other side. 1 2 yeah, and then squat hold for 3 seconds. 3
okay,
2 1. You got it? ठीक है? Okay, then we have half squats with curls. So you're going to get into a half squat, a regular squat. Elbows are locked and do the curls. 1, okay? We're doing each movement for 65 seconds. 20 seconds का break है, so that's enough break. Weights come here, you breathe in as you contract, extension पे, breathe out. So that's movement 2 for combination 1. Okay, then we have sumo squat shift with hammer. Okay, so legs wide, ठीक है? So weights here. Okay, sorry, you drop down, get into a hammer, do one hammer, come up, shift, other side. You drop down, do a hammer here, wider in a sumo squat, shift, ऊपर आके, other side, ठीक है? Drop, hammer, drop, come up, shift. Weights are here. Drop, hammer. जब sumo squat में होगे तब करना है. Come up, shift and then the other side. ठीक है?
So just 2 squats.
2 squats, yeah. इधर से left और इधर से right.
ठीक है.
ठीक है?
This is the 5th movement.
This is the third, yeah.
movement. Oh.
Abs अलग हो गए, strength, third strength movement. अच्छा, फिर cardio के लिए we have the same movement which is forward jack with narrow squat.
ठीक है.
So that's 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 ठीक है?
ठीक है.
1 2 3 4.
But this is just with this cardio. इसके साथ की cardio.
हाँ, ये combination के 1 की combination 2 में भी यही होगा, ठीक है?
ठीक है.
अच्छा, combo 2. Combo 2 में वही abs होंगे for 2 minutes, ठीक है? So we're going to get into side to side leg extensions. We're going to get into toe crunch. And अच्छा, strength में single arm clean with pulse. So what you're going to do is you're going to get into a ये pulse here, drop, ठीक है? So you pulse here, 1 2, you come up, press, hammer and clean. Drop, reverse, you pulse here, 1 2 up. Weight को sorry drop नहीं करना, ठीक है? You drop down, 1 2 up, hammer and then clean.
Okay.
ठीक है?
Got it.
Pulse, drop, up, hammer and clean. That's movement 1.
Okay.
Second round में you're going to use the other arm.
ठीक है.
Okay, combination 2, lateral raise with lunge pulse. ठीक है? तो इसमें आप क्या करोगे? देखो, lateral raise हुआ, ठीक है? You're going to get into a reverse lunge when you're bringing the weights down. 1 2 up as you step up. 1 2 up. Raise. Take the weights down. 1 2 pulse here, and then you come up, step up. 1 2 and then the other side. Okay? We're going to do this together. We're fine. Okay, then we have get up with plank hold. So what you can do is you can also carry a weight, but I would recommend. So you get into a So you drop down, get up. ठीक है? अच्छा, start up बेशक नीचे से करो. Drop down, hands down, plank hold. 5 4 3 2 1. ठीक है? You get up, squat jump, drop down, फिर नी रखना है नीचे. ठीक है? Hands down. अच्छा, पूरा बैठना नहीं है. So once you're here, your bum is lifted, you're on your knees, you drop your hands down. 5 4 3 2, 1. You step up, get into a squat, jump, idhar aake, you drop your hands down, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ठीक है? You drop down, you get into a squat, jump here. Last time हमने जो get up किया था ना, what we were doing, हम लोग ये कर रहे थे, हम पूरा बैठ जाते थे, ऐसा पूरा बैठना नहीं है, ठीक है? You stay up, you put your hands down, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, you drop your knees down, you stand, jump, and then back in, my bum is still lifted, hands down, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ठीक है? And then we
Can
have,
you just show that once again?
okay, so I'm standing, ठीक है? I drop down, stand से शुरू कर देंगे, okay, so I'm at my 90, now when I'm at my 90, I drop my hands down onto the floor, I get into a plank,
Okay, good.
hold it for
And
5
then वापस
seconds,
वही.
हाँ, नहीं, अच्छा, सिर्फ जो चीज़ नहीं करनी वो ये है कि आपने अपने रेस्ट नहीं करना, ठीक है? अब यहाँ से मैं स्क्वाट कर लूँगी, हाफ स्क्वाट,
Okay.
ठीक है?
And then no standing.
Jump, half squat, jump, and then drop down.
वापस. No standing.
90, yeah, no standing, back plank.
Right.
Back in, half,
Mm.
jump,
Mm.
drop, down, plank. ठीक है? And then the same cardio.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
ठीक
Can
है?
I use this charger?
Yeah, yeah.
मैं सिर्फ चेक कर रही थी कि मेरे फोन में बैटरी कितनी है. You never know. आज हम बहुत ही ज़्यादा, मैं actually बहुत ही थोड़ी सी disoriented हूँ with everything. There was so much going on at home. All right, it's
Better?
charging. Okay, should we start?
Yeah.
Also, can I wear my workout shoes?
Pehn लो.
Because मुझे impact तो नहीं लगेगा carpet पे. You
Carpet.
work out here?
हाँ, I work out here, but if you want to keep a mat, तो कर लो. But if you're comfortable in your shoes, पहन लो.
I mean, I'll try to see.
That'll be a lot better.
Yes,
ठीक है?
well,
So I'm going to
that's
remove my mat. You can keep
And
yours.
I'll keep it this way.
Yeah, keep it this way, ताकि side angle भी आ जाए, front भी, या वो hair भी side ही हुआ है. But anyways,
Okay.
can I start? So warm up वही होगा, ठीक है? So we're gonna start off with
Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Yeah.
I don't know what I'm doing.
You're doing fine.
Whatever it is, it'll probably warm me up.
Okay, yeah, nice. As soon as it rains, we're gonna get into, and like,
The view is so nice from here.
that's not bad.
Oh, it's lovely.
3, 2, okay, 1. Now we're gonna get into half squat and get into shoulder rolls. Okay, nice and easy, good. थोड़ा सा पीछे ऊपर आ जाओ. Yeah, it's a deep spot. Here, good. 10 seconds. Good. As soon as it rains, we're gonna get into jumping jacks. हम वही warm up stretches कर रहे हैं जो हमने पिछले 2 दिन किया था. Nothing fancy. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. ऐसा jumping jacks. Good. Intense movement. Basically stretches में हम compound movement use कर रहे हैं even in stretches. 10 seconds. Good. अच्छा 5 seconds. As soon as it rains, हम फिर squats, narrow squats and stretch करेंगे side to side. 3, 2. Okay, 1. Let's go. So we do a narrow squat here, stretch. We do a narrow squat here, we stretch. We do a narrow squat here, we stretch. We do a narrow squat here, we stretch. 10 seconds. Good. 5, 4, 3. We're going to play with our core now. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so we stand. 1, 2, 3, and crunch. 1, 2, 3, and crunch the other side. 1, 2, 3, and crunch. 1, 2, however you're comfortable. 3 and crunch. 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, 1. Let's go. Jumping jack. Let's go. Jack, jack, jack. Good. Okay, 10 seconds. अच्छा humidity बहुत होती है, गर्मी हो गई है. People are working out in the parks, running, jogging, cycling.
Yeah, I have to wear my shoes. Yeah, my feet
Yeah,
are slipping. I'm so sorry.
5 seconds, that's fine. 5, I'm going to pause it. Back stretches करेंगे. So please stay hydrated as much. Electrolytes भी अपने लें. पानी के बगैर बिल्कुल भी वर्कआउट ना करें.
Look at this
3,
bruise, man.
2. Okay, 1. Let's go. We're going to get into back stretches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Amazing. 10 seconds. As soon as it rains, we're going to get into a regular plank. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, okay, 1. Let's go, Aisha. Good. Hold it for 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go, Aisha. Jumping jacks. Come on. Let's shake it off. 20 seconds. Good. Keep jacking. As soon as it rings, we're going to get into quick feet. And then do 2 rounds. So jacks करेंगे, फिर quick feet करेंगे, फिर उसके बाद एक और time jack करेंगे और फिर quick feet करेंगे. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, okay, 1. Let's go, Aisha. Shake it off. Quick feet. Yeah. Shake it down. 15 seconds. जो कि अभी लोग हमें जिन लोगों ने join किया है, guys, हम अभी warm up stretches कर रहे हैं. Workout अभी शुरू होगा. Demonstration हम दे चुके हैं. 10, 9. तो इसमें complicated movements है, लेकिन कभी कभार complicated movements करनी चाहिए to give a shock to your body. 3, 2, okay, 1. Let's go, Aisha. That's it. Jack. Round 2. Good. Amazing. I like your earrings.
You know, I just ate food a little while ago.
Oh.
हजम नहीं हुआ.
अभी खाया है.
घंटा पहले.
Oh my God, yeah. At least 90 minutes पहले खाया करो, है ना?
I know.
5 seconds. 4. इधर आ रहा होगा. 3.
Everything is
2.
pulled down.
Okay, 1. Let's go.
Today.
Take it off. Tighten your core.
I almost wanted to cancel the live session. But
See you in the mood. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, 1, Aisha. So that's a break. Amazing. Take a 30 seconds off, 20, 30 seconds off, guys. Then we're going to start off with combination 1. So leg extensions, side to side in 15 seconds.
Okay, what are we
Ready?
doing?
Yeah, leg extension. So you'll be on the mat. 1 side and then the other side. Okay? और उसके बाद हम toe touch करेंगे. So we'll drop down. Okay. Ready? Okay. Yeah. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go, Aisha. Yeah, good. 35 seconds are on. Good, good. Amazing. Okay, good. Looks good, looks good. Are you feeling it? Okay, 25 seconds. So we're 10 seconds down. Amazing. As soon as it rings, we're going to get into toe crunch. Side to side rather for love handles. 15 seconds. Good. 10 seconds. 10. Good. 9. There's no break, so we're going to do 2 rounds back to back without any break. 5, 4. Looking good. 3, 2. Okay, 1. Let's get down on the floor. Chest up. Side to side. 1, 2. Look up to the ceiling. Yeah. 3. Toe touch karna. You've got to feel a crunch in your oblique. Side. Sides. Yeah, good. Looks good. Acha, paao ko to piche kar lo. Yeah, you need to touch your toes. Yeah.
Toe or
No,
heel?
toe. Yeah, sorry, heels. Oh my God, yeah. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, okay, 1. Leg extension side to side without a break. Aisha, come on, let's go. 1, 2.
Can you check the frame?
Yeah, check the frame.
I mean, if I need to shift, if you need to shift the phone.
No, I don't think you have to shift. It's
Okay.
fine, it's decent, yeah. Last minute changes, yeah. Kuch ho hi gaya
Oh.
usme. Good, good, good. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, okay, 1. Let's go, Aisha. Let's get into the crunch. Heel touch, side to side. Okay, 1, amazing. 2. We're going to get into a break, a 20 seconds break once we're done with the abs. And then the workout, guys, strength. Good. One side, and then the other side. Good. Good, good, good. 15 seconds, Aisha. Keep breathing. Chest lifted. Neck in line. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, yeah, 4, 3, 2, okay, 1. Good.
But my back is on the floor.
Yeah, your back, lower back, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, your chest should be lifted.
Okay.
So you got to feel it, either upper abdomen crunch hoga, and then you're using the side.
So this part is on the floor,
Yeah, this should
but
be on.
upper back is
Yeah,
lifted. Okay.
Okay, ready? So movement 1, plank shift with a squat hold.
Yes.
ठीक है? Yeah.
This. Okay. Plank से शुरू करें?
Ready करें? 65 seconds is a longer interval, ठीक है? So breathe. 3, 2, 1. Let's go, Aisha. Plank shift. 1, 2. Get into a squat. Bring the feet in. Hold a spot. 3, 2, 1. Get back in a plank. Shift to the other side. 1, yeah. 2. Awesome. Bring the feet in. Get into a squat hold. 3, 2, 1. Amazing, Aisha. Other side. Shift here. There's a lot of coordination जो आपको करनी पड़ती है इस movement में. Good. 3, 2, 1. Your squats are looking amazing. Drop down. Plank. Good. Other side. 1. Nice and easy. 2. Okay. Get into a squat.
Okay, you
Pick
don't
up.
need to tell me what to do. Just
Okay.
count my
Okay.
squat
3,
hold.
2, 1. Let's go. Okay, 3, 2, okay, 1. 20 more seconds. Good. Maybe one more. Yeah, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Good. 10 more seconds, Aisha. Maybe you can squeeze another rep. Very quickly. 3, 2, okay, 1. Shift. 1, and then 2. Then just squat hold very quickly. 3, 2, 1. Okay, good. That's a break. 20 seconds. Okay.
Okay, what are we doing next?
So half squats
Achha,
with girls. Okay, so you're going to pick up the weights.
half squat.
Half
with
squats with girls.
That's
Continue
it.
doing the girls. Yeah.
narrow squat.
Yeah, regular cardio. Regular cardio. Okay, 1, 2, 3. That's it. Good. Nice and easy. Elbows towards the पीछे lock. Yeah, locked here. Good. Good. At any point in time जब लगे कि lower body थोड़ी थक गई है तो release पे curls कर लो. ठीक है? पूरा stand up होके फिर curls कर लो. 45 seconds. Okay, looks good. Looks amazing. I think second round में 3 kgs पकड़ेंगे. 40 seconds. Good. 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 So engaging your lower body is engaged, and then you're also doing curls with the upper body. 30 seconds, Aisha. Amazing. You still have 30 seconds to go. Breathe. Good. Okay. Last 25. Looking good. Guys, in a half squat, knees are very slightly bent, knees are locked behind your toes. Her bum is out. There's an arch in her back. Her shoulders are up. 15 seconds, Aisha. Looks good. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Full extension. 3. Give me one more rep, Aisha. 1. Okay, one more rep. Good. That's a squeeze. 20 seconds break, guys. Good.
Okay, I need you to do me a favor.
Yeah.
Can you put the vent up? मेरे ना बिल्कुल सर
अच्छा,
पे
नीचे कर दूँ?
ऊपर नीचे पे भी मेरे हाँ नीचे कर दो मेरे बिल्कुल सर पे.
ठीक है. मैं एक सेकंड ये वाला एक्सप्लेन
हाँ,
करूँ जल्दी से.
बिल्कुल.
अच्छा. So sumo squat में नीचे जाओगे, hammer करोगे, ऊपर आओगे, फिर shift करोगे sumo squat. ठीक है?
Got it.
That's it. Okay. Drop down, do a hammer, squeeze, get up. Yeah, get up, and then shift to the other side. Bring the other foot in. Drop down.
One hammer only.
Yeah, one hammer.
Maybe
Do 2 hammers. You're right. Other side. Good. Drop. Lock. Good. 1. And then 2. Abhi yaar main second 25 kar दूं temperature. I think it's a bit too cold as well. Okay, keep moving.
ऊपर आके फिर करना है.
हाँ, नहीं नीचे आके
Really
hammers.
confused.
नीचे आके hammers करने हैं. 1 and then 2. Drop. Get up. Shift. And then the other side. Weights नीचे ही रहेंगे. Up करो hammer. Good. Shift. Okay, good. 20 seconds. अच्छा bench ऊपर तो हमारे ऊपर ही आएगा. अगर ऊपर रहेगा तो 15 seconds. Okay, shift. The other side. I think pick up heavy weights in the next round. 10 seconds. You're making it look very, very easy. Good. 5 seconds. Shift. Sumo squats, guys. So feet wider, weights in the center. 3, 2, 1. Good. 20 seconds break. Now we have cardio. 15 seconds. So you're going to get into side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. 1, 2, 3,
हाथ ऊपर.
and then 4. हाथ यहाँ रख लो. या movement करनी movement कर लो. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Good. Narrow squat. 1. Shift to the other side. 3, 4. Jump. Get into narrow squat. Good.
Can you follow this with me?
Okay,
Or
let's
you need
go.
to follow it.
1, 2, 3, and then 4 is a squat.
Okay, you bring
1,
your feet together.
2, 3, and then 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and then a narrow squat. 1, 2, 3, and then a 4. Good. 1, 2, 3, and then a 4. Good. Great. That's a break.
I don't know what I did, but
You're fine. Yeah. Okay. So if you get 1, shift to ठीक है 2, 3, and then jump here in a squat.
Oh.
So don't stop there. ठीक है?
Got it.
Okay. 30 seconds break. Combination to Aisha. Oh my God, we have 2 rounds. Good. So we're gonna start off with leg extensions, side to side. Ab movement same है.
Oh, okay.
ठीक है? Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, okay, 1. Let's go. 35 seconds. 2 times abs. Good. One side and then the other side.
भाई अब तो AC और आ गया ऊपर
ऊपर
कर दो ना like it was before.
Wait.
Because when I'm working out
26 पे कर दो temperature. I think it's way too
हाँ,
hot.
ठीक है.
Yeah. Okay, 15 seconds. Keep crunching. One side and then the other side. 10 seconds. Good. 10, 9 और part में वैसे भी इतनी ठंड नहीं होती ना. So you'll probably enjoy that more. 5, 4, 3, 2, okay, 1. Let's go. Heel touch. Good. Stay down. Low. Okay. Yeah, keep moving one side and then the other side is fine. Okay, 15 seconds, Aisha. Good, 10 seconds. As soon as it rains, we're going to do another round, okay? Good. What we can do is कि अगर एक किसी और combination के ना दोबारा एक round कर लेंगे. 3, 2, 1. Lower back में लग रहा है? Okay. Leg extensions कर लो.
Sorry.
Good.
It's just not happening.
Yeah. You feel it's not happening, but otherwise.
No, it's hurting.
अच्छा, lower back is hurting.
No, it's not even my lower back. It's my upper back.
अच्छा, upper back.
Lower back is fine.
Fine, okay. It's your upper back, yeah. Okay, good.
Because मेरे lower back issues नहीं है. मेरे तो accident की वजह से injury upper back.
10 seconds, yeah. So क्या करना है? इसके बाद turn around होके plan कर लेना. We have to finish this round. 3, 2, okay, 1. Let's go. Let's get into it then. Quickly.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
Alright guys, we improvise. If
Do the
something is
alternates,
hurting
yeah.
you, अगर कोई injury है आपकी, anything that feels uncomfortable, improvise.
20 seconds, breathe. We're going to get into a break and then we're going to start doing the strength. Good. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and then 1. Amazing. So that's a 20 seconds break. Okay. Okay. For strength, the first movement is clean. Pulse here. ठीक है? You come up, do a hammer and press. You drop down, pulse here. ठीक है?
Same
You
hand,
come
same
up, yeah,
pulse.
same hand. Good.
Okay. Maybe I'm gonna use this.
Yeah, use the
है ना?
3, yeah.
Okay.
3, 2,
Legs कितने?
huh? Pulse. Regular squat है? A little wider than a regular squat. 3,
I do.
2,
Can
that's
you do
right.
it with me, please?
Yeah, 1. Let's go. So we do a pulse here. Good. You come up, do a hammer, do a press. You drop down, you pulse here. Good. You come up. Good. You press. We're going to use the same arm. Good. At least 3 reps pe. You come up, you do a press, you drop down.
But
Okay,
we're
now,
not jumping, huh?
No. Now we're going to change to the other arm. Okay, you pick up. Good. You press. Amazing. Shift kar lo. 1, 2, come. Hammer, press. Reverse. Pulse. Good. Pick up. Up, ठीक है? Good. Now you can count. Pulse. Drop. Yeah. Squeeze. Up. Good. Now you shift the other arm to the other arm. Let's go. 1. Pulse. Up. Press. Hammer. Drop down. Pulse. Good. Pick up. Hammer. Reverse hammer. Pulse. Good. Okay, nice and easy. Switch to the other arm. Pulse. Pick up. Hammer. Press. Give me one more rep very quickly, Aisha. Pulse. Good. You pick up. Do a hammer. Do a press. Okay, so that's a break. Now we're going to get into, okay, that's a break. Good. Now we're going to get into lateral lunge lateral raise with lunge pulse. Pick up the weights.
Which one?
Yeah. 3 वाले उठा लो if you can pick up, otherwise 2 वाले. So we're going to pick up.
Yeah.
ठीक है, यहाँ से start करेंगे, हाथ ऊपर से. Okay. So now drop down and lunge pulse. 1, 2, raise the weights, and then the other side. 1, 2, raise. As you come up, drop the weights. As you come down, breathe. Good. Raise. I'm going to check your land. Nice and easy. Yeah. Guys, जब lunges कर रहे होते हैं तो please ख्याल रखें knee का. There's a very tricky movement. अगर knee back issues हैं, lower back issues हैं, knee issue है तो definitely बिल्कुल भी ना करें lunge. Good. लेकिन अगर सब कुछ ठीक है, so please, the way she's doing the lunges, her knee is roughly 2 inches off the floor. She's pulsing closer to the floor. The front knee है, that's behind. Good. 20 seconds. Amazing. Nice and easy, Aisha. Good. Controlled movement. Nothing intense. कोई rushiness नहीं होनी चाहिए when you're doing the lunges. 15 more seconds. Good. 10 seconds, Aisha. Good. Give me 1 rep on each side. Good. Get into a raise. Pick up. And then the other side. Pulse. 1, 2. Okay. Pick up the weights. Good. Raise. Nice. Okay. That's a break.
I want to fix this myself.
नहीं हो रहा नीचे भी हवा आ रही है because it's right in our face.
Oh God.
हमारी favorite movement आ रही है.
And it is done. देखा?
Like देखा.
हो गया फिर?
चल हाँ जी करें. 3, 2, 1. We're doing the वो वाला get up वाला plank हम साथ करेंगे. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1. So knee down. Knee down. You follow me. Knee down. The other knee down. Hands down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right knee in. You get up in a half squat on your foot 1 time and then jump. Good. Jump here on the same spot. Drop down on your knee. 90. Drop your hands down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring the knee in. Foot in. Get into a half squat. Jump. Drop. Knee. One side and then the other side.
Back complicated to
Good. Yeah. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Bring the knee in. 90.
I'm using the wrong knees.
That's fine. Okay. Jump. Good. Drop down. 90. Hands down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. आपको समझ आया? Knee in. Bring the foot in. Half squat. Jump. Drop. Drop the knee in. 90. Hands down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. That's a break. 20 seconds. Now we're going to get into Good. That's a break. Good.
भूल गई.
Okay. अब हम cardio करेंगे. Stay ready. 15 seconds. And then we're going to get into a break.
What's the cardio?
Same. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump. ठीक है? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go, Aisha. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump. 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 Amazing, Aisha. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump. 5 more seconds. Good. Jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump. Good. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's a break. Good.
All right.
Yeah. So now we're going to do round 2, but we're not going to do the abs. Okay? So very quickly. It's quite a long workout anyway, so हम abs नहीं करेंगे. We're just going straight on the strength and the cardio.
We can do the abs.
So 3, 3.5.
नहीं?
बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा.
Okay.
Yeah, it's quite a.
What's the next move?
Okay. वही अब हम start से शुरू कर रहे हैं ना. Plan shift to squat.
Okay.
ठीक है? So second round should be a lot better. Obviously, will be better because Aisha now knows the movements. ठीक है? 3, 2, 1. Let's go, Aisha. Okay.
क्या क्या
Get into a squat hold. Okay, I'm going to count. 3, 2, 1. Drop down. Back. Other side. Good. Get into a squat hold. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Amazing, Aisha. Come on. Other side. Okay. Get into a squat hold. 3, 2, 1. Drop down. Okay. Other side. Shift. Nice and easy. Good. Good. 3, 2, 1. Amazing. Drop down. Shift. Great. Squat hold. 3, 2, 1. Other side. Okay. Shift. Okay. Good. In. 3, 2, 1. Drop down. Legs out. Shift. 1, 2. Okay. Get into squat hold. 3, 2, 1. Looks good, Aisha. Legs out. 1, and then 2. Get into squat mode. 3, 2, 1. Let's go, Aisha. Give me one more full rep, entire rep foot. 1, 1. Shift. 3, 2, 1. You still have a second. Good. That's a break. That was amazing. Now we're going to get into half squats with curls, bicep curls. So we're going to get into half squat and then we're going to go. 1, shift. 2, my elbows are locked.
Yeah.
5 seconds. 4, 3, 2. Okay, 1.
You said take the heavier one?
Yeah, heavier one, Aisha. Come on, let's go because you were making the movement look so easy. Agar I think to the side pe kar lo, to the side pe hoke kar lo. Yeah, they can see your side too then. Good. Squat hold. Good. Elbows thoda piche aayenge. Locked. Good. Okay, looks amazing. You look amazing. Good. 40 seconds. Guys, perfect squats हैं आप देख लें. Knees हैं behind the toes. कुछ लोग knees को बहुत आगे push कर रहे होते हैं. Awkwardly. कुछ लोग hunch कर रहे होते हैं, bend कर रहे होते हैं जब squats कर रहे होते हैं. So उससे आपकी lower back पे pressure पड़ता है, आपके knees पे pressure करता है. So please नहीं गलत squats करें. 20 seconds. Good. अगर weak knees है तो कोई बात नहीं. We're actually playing around, you know, the muscles around your knee. So वो build करें ताकि automatically knee की जो strength है, वो build होगी. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh no.
What happened?
It was a little teared up, but that's okay. You know how it is with phones.
Monday, badass Monday हो गया ऐसे. Okay, now we're gonna get into sumo squats, Aisha. So we're gonna do, you know the movement, right? So we're gonna do a sumo squat with hands down. Do a hammer, 2 hammers here.
Should I do this weight?
Yeah. Do this weight if you're comfortable. Legs out.
It's a little heavy.
That's fine. Acha, do it how. 1, and then 2, hands down. Get up, shift to the other side. Okay, and then drop. 1, and then 2. Acha, 3 or 2 utha lo, shift karke. Good. And then the other side, amazing. 1, and then 2. यहाँ पे सिर्फ ये इशू हो रहा है कि स्पेस नहीं मिल रही होता है ना मनूवर करने के लिए, वरना हम बहुत जंप लगाते हैं. 35 seconds. We jump like monkeys here and there. Good. 30 seconds.
और टापर जो है वो बेचारा है.
Yeah, I know. But that's fine as long as you know लोग कर रहे हैं workout.
हाँ.
Good. उनको कुछ मिल रहा है.
कुछ तो मिल रहा है.
For today. Because Monday नहीं miss करना चाहिए. After the weekend, you know, if you miss a Monday, you actually miss the entire week. 10 seconds. Good. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and then 1. That was amazing, Aisha. 20 seconds break. Now drop the weights. आगे कर लो क्योंकि jacks कर रहे हो weight. If you can move the weights a little forward, yeah.
What jacks are we doing?
We're doing the forward jacks with now 1, 2, sorry, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. 3, 2, okay, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, jump. 1 sideways. 2, 3, 4, jump. Good. And then come this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, jump. Amazing. 1, 2, 3, 4, jump. Looks good, Aisha. 1, 2, 3, 4, jump down. 1, 2, 3, 4, jump down. Amazing. 1, 2, 3, 4, drop. 1, 2, 3, 4, drop down. 1, 2, 3, 4, drop down. 1 second. 1, 2, 3. Good. That's a break.
Oh, my food is coming up to my throat. God. Lesson learned. आज मैंने ज़्यादा खा लिया. Usually मैं इतना नहीं खाती.
Yeah? What did you eat? Healthy?
Yeah. Chicken, organic chicken, and
Oh, nice.
gluten-free roti, and
Wow.
a lot of salads and.
That looks tempting. Okay, so combination 2 का है round 2. करें? Whenever you're ready.
What's the combination?
Okay, so single arm clean with pulse.
Right.
ठीक है? तो 3 reps के बाद shift करेंगे. 5, 4, 3.
Okay, what? I
Two.
forgot the move.
आ चलिए. 1. Let's go. So with pulse here. 1, 2, up, hammer and press. reverse hammer, 1, 2, up, hammer, press, drop down, 1, 2, up, hammer, press. Now we're going to shift the arm.
We're going to do slow.
1, 2, we can do it fast, 2, 3, but agar slow bhi kar rahe ho, that's fine with a heavy weight. Pick up. I want you to feel it in your muscles instead of rushing into a movement, क्योंकि मैं strength training का कोई फायदा नहीं रहता. Good. अगर rushiness में करो movement, 20 seconds, good. So lock करना elbow, you need to use your bicep, you press up, you need to engage your shoulder, you drop down, your thighs, your glutes.
Am I
20
changing my
seconds.
arm?
Yeah, change your arm after 3 reps. Good. 1, 2, pulse. Good. Up and then squeeze. Amazing. Shift. Good. 1 and then 2. Come up. Good. Pulse. Hammer. Shift kar lo arm. Do one more. Yeah. Good. Other side. Pulse. Pick up. Hammer and press. That was amazing, Aisha. Great. Okay, now
That
we're
was
going to
terrible, but thanks.
Yeah. Okay, now we're going to get into lateral lunges. So raise and lunge pulse. Drop the weight. Raise and then drop the weight into a lunge pulse. ठीक है? और last हमारी favorite movement रह जाएगी. 3, 2, 1. हाँ, inhale के बाद लाइट. Raise and then get into a lunge. 1, 2. Raise and then get into a lunge. 1, 2. As you come up, you get into a raise to actually.
3 or 2?
2 pulses. 1, 2. Come up and raise. Yeah, good. Amazing. 45 seconds. Good. इसके बाद last हमारी movement है वो get up वाली, थोड़ी complicated. Then cardio and then we're kind of done. 40 seconds. Drop. Good, good, good. Okay, 35 seconds, Aisha. Looking amazing. Up. Good. You don't really get tired, वैसे I've noticed.
I do.
है ना?
Right?
We should do longer workouts now. Good. With finishers,
get
with
tired.
cardio, with total body.
I do get tired, I just don't complain.
Yeah, I mean,
I do, I tell you कि भाई ये नहीं हो
खत्म
रहा.
हो रहा है, but I mean, you really
Whenever I can't do something,
yeah,
I do
but
tell
you push yourself.
I try,
Yeah, as much as you can. So that's good to see. 10 seconds, guys. लोग 2 reps में ही खत्म हो जाते हैं ना. 5 seconds and like no हम नहीं करेंगे. It's too complicated. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's a break. Now we're going to get into that movement. ठीक है, stand करके drop down, फिर plank hold करेंगे. ठीक है, we're going to do this together. So let's stand. One last movement, 65 seconds, and then cardio, and then we're kind of done. Are you good?
There's a pain inside my
Inside. Oh,
yeah.
what happened? Giri to nahi ho? Okay. Knee down. Hands down. Get into a plank. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knee in. Step in.
Can we use the other leg now?
Yeah, you can use the other leg. Jump. Good. Now use the other leg. Knee. Drop down. Hands down. Plank. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring the knee in. Bring the foot in. Get into a half squat. Jump. Good. Drop down. Knee. Get into a hands down. Plank. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knee in. Step in. Up. Jump. Drop. Knee down. Hands down. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring the knee in. Bring the foot in. Get into a half squat. Jump. Looks good, Aisha. Drop down. Hands down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knee in. Good. That's a break. Amazing. Now we're going to get into the same movement. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump. And then to the other side. 5 seconds. 35 more seconds, guys, and then we're done. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, give me one more rep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Squeeze another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was kick practice, yeah. Yay!
Yeah!
हाँ,
All right, guys. कर ही लिया.
है ना? How was it?
ना करते.
है ना? Did you like it?
Well, my foot is
Coming out.
I'm like about to throw up.
Or
My
food burnt. Yeah.
I can taste the chicken.
Oh my god. Yeah.
I know, man. Overeating Monday.
Overeating Monday, but you kind of burnt it. You must have burnt at least 400 calories. 350.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm gonna cool down.
Cool down, yeah. So let's start with the child pose, our favorite. We can drop our head down onto the mat. Rest your bum on your shoes. Hands out. Yeah, elbows off the ground. Good. Guys, अगर आप लोगों ने notice किया होगा तो हम stretches, warm up, cool down वगैरह में, you know, आप अगर बहुत सी complicated movements नहीं भी करो तो कोई इतना मसला नहीं है. पर अपने workout जो main workout है, okay, shift to the other side, Aisha. Bring the other foot in, the other leg out. कुछ लोग stretches में इतना दिमाग use कर लेते हैं कि you know, कि उनसे वो stretches होते ही नहीं हैं.
और कुछ लोग करते ही नहीं हैं.
और कुछ लोग oh my god, yeah, कुछ लोग jump in करते हैं workout में without you know warming their muscles up. The chances of injury are so higher. Good. Shift. You can get into a cross legged.
और मुझे तो AC में बिल्कुल मजा नहीं आया.
नहीं ना. You're still sweating though, yeah.
No, but it's right on me.
Yeah.
Maybe. Actually, the room is small and the AC is very effective.
I mean, I got the AC changed like I think a month or 2 months ago, yeah. We can shift to the wrist, Fala, maybe. पार्ट में ही करेंगे.
हमें गर्मी रास आती है.
And otherwise, I think we enjoyed it there more.
Yeah,
people running around, playing, yeah.
You know, there's curious people watching us.
Yeah.
Although
there's more space.
And people are far away. There's no,
yeah.
like threat of people being close to each other.
Yeah. Shoulders. Side, yes. You can get into shoulder rolls, maybe. Yeah. Time क्या हुआ? Oh, 7:01.
Ooh,
yeah.
I need to go.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh no. Someone's waiting for me. Biking.
Yeah.
मैंने तो 7 बजे का टाइम दिया बाइकिंग के लिए गेट पे.
And go with you. Check her out. Check out the speed of the stretches. Yeah. ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. Yes.
करना क्या था मैं तो भूल गई.
Forward circles. Good.
And मुझे ना बस दिल चाह रहा है मैं बस हट जाऊँ इसी से.
अच्छा अब तो हो गया.
हाँ अब क्या करना है?
अब अपने हाथ रखो. We can finish it. Yeah. Shut your brain. Shut your eyes. Sukoon karo Aisha for half a minute before we head out.
Yeah. The world can wait. Can we close the AC?
Yeah. Oh my god, you were so distracted. Band kar
So I'm like freezing.
Now concentrate. 20 seconds. I want you to be at peace for 20 minutes at least. 20 seconds at least. 20 minutes में तो cycle ही खत्म हो जाएगी. Okay, cool. We're kind of done.
Alright. Thank you, Seher, for bearing with me. And today was a little tough क्योंकि हम बहुत ज़्यादा scattered थे. मैं थी. But we made it. And Seher is a very patient trainer, so I'm really lucky. And I hope you guys enjoy doing these exercises. It's going to be posted on my IGTV. You can come back to this whenever you want. So thank you, and give me your feedback. Lots of love. See you on Wednesday.
Yeah.
Bye.
End.
Share to IGTV.
And now?